promotion of oral skills through questions, discussion, sharing, and interaction. CPS 1 Odisha.ed and Education Honors. Communication skills, a promotion of oral skills through questions, discussion, sharing, and interaction. 1. Introduction. Communication is the backbone of teaching and learning. It serves not only as a medium to transfer knowledge but also as a means of expressing thoughts, feelings, and ideas. In a classroom setting, communication is vital for meaningful engagement, understanding, and collaboration between teachers and students. Among the various forms of communication, oral communication skills hold a special place in the development of learners. The ability to listen actively, express clearly, respond thoughtfully, and interact confidently plays a key role in both academic success and personal growth. This answer explores the importance of communication skills, particularly focusing on oral skills and how these can be promoted through questioning, discussion, sharing, and interaction, key methods emphasized in the Odisha.ed curriculum. 2. What are communication skills? Communication skills refer to the ability to convey information, feelings, and ideas effectively and appropriately using various modes: verbal, nonverbal, written, and visual. Types of communication skills: verbal, oral, speaking, listening, questioning. Nonverbal gestures, facial expressions, body language. Written, reading, and writing messages. Visual, use of signs, symbols, pictures. In the classroom, oral communication skills are most frequently used during lectures and instructions, question and answer sessions, group activities and discussions, storytelling, debate, and presentations. 3. Importance of oral communication in the classroom. A. Enhances learning. Oral communication allows real-time clarification of doubts, encourages dialogic learning, learning through dialogue. B. Promotes critical thinking. Asking questions and participating in discussions help students think deeply. Builds reasoning and analytical skills. C. Builds confidence and social skills. Speaking in front of peers improves self-expression and public speaking. Students learn to listen and respect different opinions. D. Supports language development. Helps improve vocabulary, sentence structure, pronunciation. Especially important in multilingual classrooms like those in Odisha. E. Encourages collaborative learning. Oral communication in groups fosters teamwork, negotiation, and cooperation. 4 components of oral communication skills. Component: description, speaking, clear articulation of ideas using appropriate tone, grammar, and vocabulary. Listening, understanding messages by paying attention and processing auditory input. Responding, giving suitable answers or feedback based on understanding. Nonverbal cues, using gestures, facial expressions, posture to support spoken words. 5. Barriers to effective oral communication in classrooms. Language differences. Students may not understand the school language, example, tribal children in Odisha. Shyness and fear. Fear of making mistakes may prevent students from speaking. Lack of encouragement. Teacher-dominated classrooms restrict student talk. Rigid evaluation. Emphasis on right answers discourages risk-taking in speaking. Class size and time limitations. Large classrooms offer fewer speaking opportunities per student. Gender and social bias. Girls and students from marginalized communities may hesitate to speak. 6. Promoting oral skills through effective strategies. A. Use of questions. Questioning is a powerful tool to promote thinking and oral expression. Types of questions. Closed questions yes, no. Factual. Example, what is photosynthesis? Open-ended questions encourage elaboration. Example, why do plants need sunlight? Probing questions seek deeper reasoning. Example, can you explain why? Strategies for teachers. Give thinking time after asking questions. Encourage peer-to-peer questioning. Avoid punishing wrong answers. Instead, guide students gently. Benefits. Enhances confidence, comprehension, and clarity in speech. B. Classroom discussions. Discussions allow students to explore topics, share views, and listen to others. Forms of discussion. Whole class discussions. Small group discussions. Debates and panel discussions. Role of teacher. Act as a facilitator, not a controller. Set rules for respectful listening and speaking. Provide prompts and guide thinking. Benefits. Develops language fluency, collaboration, and critical thinking. Example from Odisha classroom. In an upper primary class, students discuss local environmental issues in a mix of Oriya and their dialect. The teacher encourages them to express freely and then helps them present the points in standard Oriya. C. Sharing activities. Sharing personal experiences, ideas, and stories builds oral fluency in a low-pressure environment. Activities to promote sharing. Morning talk or show and tell. Sharing circle or my story sessions. Sharing local festivals, folktales, or community practices. Benefits. Encourages even shy students to speak. Respect students' cultural and linguistic backgrounds. Connects home experiences with classroom learning. Deep peer interaction and group work. Interaction among peers promotes natural use of language in real-life situations. Techniques. Think, pair, share. Role play. Cooperative learning tasks. Language games. Role of teacher. Structure the group activity. Ensure balanced participation. Monitor and support where needed. Benefits. Builds social language, listening skills, and confidence. Enhances communication among linguistically diverse learners. 7. Teachers' role in promoting oral communication. AB.ed. Trained teacher must create a safe environment. Avoid mocking or harsh correction. Praise effort over perfection. Use multilingual approaches. Allow students to express in home language initially. Help them bridge to school language. Model good communication. Speak clearly, respectfully, and with expression. Use gestures, visuals, and tone effectively. Encourage all students. Provide equal speaking opportunities. Support girls and quieter students with encouragement and scaffolds. Assess oral skills formatively. Use checklists, observation, peer feedback. Avoid only written tests. 8. Importance of oral communication for life skills. Oral skills are essential for interviews, presentations, social interactions, and leadership. Develops the 21st century skills of collaboration, communication, and creativity. Empowers marginalized learners by giving them a voice. 9. Alignment with NEP 2020 and NCF 2005. NEP 2020 emphasizes multilingualism and interactive pedagogy. Calls for development of communication and soft skills from the foundational stage. NCF 2005 stresses child-centric, discussion-based teaching. Promotes language-rich classrooms through questioning and dialogue. 10 classroom activities to promote oral skills with examples. Activity. Description. Benefit. Storytelling. Students narrate personal or folk stories. Improves fluency and memory. Debate. Opposing views on a topic. Builds argument and reasoning. Role play. Enact real-life scenarios, example, shopkeeper-customer. Practical language use. Picture description. Students describe a scene or photo. Enhances vocabulary and observation. Quiz games. Interactive Q&A in pairs or teams. Makes learning fun and motivating. 11. Conclusion. Oral communication is not only a basic classroom necessity but also a life skill that empowers learners to think, interact, and grow. Through carefully designed activities like questioning, discussion, sharing, and interaction, teachers can foster an environment that supports the development of strong oral skills in all learners. In a multilingual and diverse state like Odisha, promoting oral communication requires cultural sensitivity, language flexibility, and pedagogical innovation. A skilled teacher knows how to unlock every child's potential by creating opportunities for them to speak, listen, express, and be heard. By doing so, we not only strengthen their academic achievement but also build their confidence, identity, and voice in society.